While uploading your AAB file in Google Play Console under production or closed testing, if you see an error like this, then it means that you are updating an app which was not previously created from Appilix. In Play Console, every app is signed with a Keystore, and to update the updated app must be signed with that same Keystore. In that case, you can contact your previous app builder company or developer to provide you the Keystore file and other necessary information. Then from Appilix app dashboard, navigate to the Build and Download page and upload the Keystore file in JKS format along with other necessary information and save the changes. Then if you rebuild the app, the updated AAB file will have the previous app's Keystore and you will be able to update the previous app. But if you cannot get the previous Keystore information, don't worry. From your Play Console, navigate to the app signing page. Under Upload Key Certificate, you will get the option to request Upload Key Reset. Then choose that you have lost the upload key. Next, you will need a new Keystore file in PM format, which will replace the previous app's Keystore which you could not find. You can download the PM file from Appilix. Download and upload the PM file. Finally, click the Request button. Google can take 2 to 4 business days to replace the previous Keystore with a new one. Once done, you will be notified via email from Google. Then you can simply upload the AAB file downloaded from Appilix and update your app in Google Play Console. Still, if you face any issues, our support team will be always there to help you out.